Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is our lesson plan number 5th. We have already covered 4 lesson plans. So topic of this lesson plan is friction. So we have to write setup, subject, class, date, branch, period. Then in the middle topic, that is what friction. Then general objectives. After the specific objectives, it is divided into 3 parts: cognitive domain, affective domain, and psychomotor domain. Then comes previous knowledge related to what we have to teach: friction. Then some introductory questions and expected answers. Then statement of aim. And now presentation. First teaching point is concept of friction. Then teaching method, यहाँ पे हमने inductive method का use किया है. So I will explain a little bit of it. And teaching technique, activity based learning. Teaching resources, slides, whiteboard, and pictures. So we have to make a table like this. First people teacher activity, and in second column students activity, third is whiteboard work. So in inductive method we proceed from examples to rule. So in this we have to present first examples. Step 1 is presentation of examples. Then step 2 is observation. First we have to give examples, 3 examples. Then उन 3 एग्जाम्पल्स से जो है एक कॉमन कंक्लूजन निकलना चाहिए एट द एंड. ठीक है, तो स्टूडेंट को हम ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए कहेंगे, फिर एक कॉमन जनरलाइजेशन निकलेगा, तो इसको थर्ड स्टेप होगा जनरलाइजेशन. व्हाट डू यू जनरलाइज फ्रॉम द अबव एग्जाम्पल्स. फिर देन पीपल टीचर एक्सप्लेनेशन, दैट इज फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. एंड देन हियर इट इज अ एक्टिविटी. Activity also is there. And factors determining friction. Here we have also given pictures. Then comes evaluation. What we have taught students, we have to evaluate them, how much they have learned. So evaluation questions can be like fill-ups, MCQs. Next teaching point is types of friction. In this point we have used a method lecture cum demonstration with question and answer technique. टीचिंग टेक्निक क्या है यहाँ पे? एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग है. एंड टीचिंग रिसोर्स, स्लाइड्स, वाइट बोर्ड्स एंड पिक्चर. So here is a planning. In lecture cum demonstration we have to write steps like planning. Aim to explain types of friction. Then requirement, what we have to what we are required to do an experiment. Then presentation. Then comes activity. Then pupil teacher explanation. We have to explain types of friction, so that is rolling friction, sliding friction. Then comes evaluation. Next teaching point is advantages and disadvantages of friction. In this we have used lecture method with question and answer technique. So 3 columns will be made like this: people teacher activity, students activity, whiteboard work. Then developing question, students expected answer. Then people teacher statement, advantages of friction and disadvantages of friction. Then comes evaluation. Evaluation can be done in the form of MCQs, fill in the blanks, merge the columns, whatever. In recapitulation we have to make mind map. So here I have made mind map, so that in a one view we can understand what is there in the topic. what we have learned, so it is easy to revise. Friction. Here I have given types: rolling friction, sliding friction, and then disadvantages, advantages. Here depends on the texture of surfaces. And what is friction? It opposes the relative motion. Then comes homework, that is, write the difference between rolling and sliding friction. Next is also a point that is of supervisor's remark. In the end, you have to write supervisor's remark, and that's over.